So when I walked in to the store and saw all this milk on for 99 cents per bag, I thought to myself, I need to make some cheese. So I used a cup and a half of lemon juice for 12 liters of milk. Now you can use lemon juice, you can also use vinegar for this. Don't scrape the bottom while you're doing this, because if there's any that burns on the bottom, you don't want that to float up into your cheese. We're trying to get this to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. So as you can see, it's already starting to separate. We got our brewer's sack here. We're going to use that for making the cheese. And there's a fluff on it, of course. So we're going to put it in that. Then we'll hang it and let it drip dry. At this point, I got a little impatient and decided with the little bit that had curdled, I was going to taste test it. Right now it looks like cottage cheese, and basically this is, you could turn this into cottage cheese. You could also use cheesecloth for this. I'm using a brewer's bag here, and all you want to do is basically make a ball out of the cheese, squeeze a lot of the liquid out of it, and then let the rest just drip out. Preferably leave it in the fridge overnight afterwards. It will harden up a bit more, but again, I was impatient and really wanted to try it. So here we are, we're at our finishing point. We're scooping out, which does not look appealing, but we are scooping out all the curd out of the way into our brewer's sack to make our cheese ball. So here we are again, just straining out as much as the whey as we can. I then take an elastic and put an elastic around it so it will hold its shape better. And I let it hang for probably an hour or two before I put it in the fridge overnight so it got nice and firm. Now, unfortunately, I did end up burning a little bit of the milk while I was doing this, and there was a little bit of an off taste on this one, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. You can just see the one spot on there where it definitely got a little burnt. But anyways, hope you enjoy. Happy cheese making. We're gonna try mozzarella next.